In this video, we will show you how to make a rotation transition in PowerPoint. So let's start the video. Click on right button, go to Format Background, click on Picture or Texture field, go to File. I have downloaded a picture from Google, select it and insert it. Duplicate the slide, go to File, select and insert it. Duplicate the slide, again go to File, select it and insert it. Go to first slide, go to Insert, click on Shapes, select Rectangle, size 25 cm and 25 cm. Duplicate the shape, size 20 cm and 20 cm. Duplicate the shape, size 15 cm and 15 cm. Duplicate the shape, size 10 cm and 10 cm. Select all, align center and align middle. Select outline color, increase transparency and click on slide background fill. Go to shadow, select outer shadow from present and increase transparency. Go to insert, select border style and write Jasmine here. Select and go to Home tab, pick a new font your text. Make your text a bit bigger. Change the color of your text. Rotate a little. Select all, copy with Ctrl C, go to second side, paste with Ctrl V. Click on outside. Now select each shape and rotate it like this. Select text box. Write Marigold here and change the color using Eyedropper. Go to third slide and paste it back. Then select each shape and rotate it like this. Select text box. Write rose here. Go to first slide and copy the text box. Go to the second slide and paste it and make its size 1. Select this text box and copy it. Go to the third slide and paste it and make its size 1 also. This will give a different effect to the slide. Select this text box, copy it, go to another slide and paste it and make its size 1 also. Select this text box and copy it, go to first slide and paste it and make its size 1 also. Select all slides, go to transition, select Morph and click on slideshow. Perfect. This one also good. If you like the video, then please subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.